everybody, while on the road trip through Hawassa, you need to convert the following speed limit for a guest who came from Canada into miles per hour. A 50 km per hour, B 75 km per hour, C 90 km per hour, D 120 km per hour. I'll do for you A and B, and you will do by yourself C and D. Hence there are 0.624 miles in a kilometer, okay? Therefore, A 50 km per hour times 0.624 mile per kilometer so we'll get 31.2 mile per hour, and then 75 km per hour, 75 km per hour times 0.624 mile per kilometer by kilometer cancel out, and then we'll get 46.8 miles per hour. So do the rest question C and D by yourself, and if you have comment and questions and suggestions, write on the comment bar. Don't forget to subscribe Mame Physics Tutorial YouTube channel. Have a nice day.